So we will start question answer. Anybody has any question? Can ask.
I live in the house, and if somebody is playing loud music, techno, party type music, or talking too much, like something like that, outside disturbance, so I always go out and tell them not to make it less, this, that. So I'm not sure whether what should I do? I should be witness, or I should go them and tell them, don't make noise, don't do this, don't do that. So what should be done?
You can listen, everybody. Back. No.
I say loud.
Yeah. Have a mic.
No, I can say loud. Yes, yes, I'm in the house, and especially in the night, sleeping time or resting time, somebody plays loud music, party type, techno, this, or talking too much or making noise. I always go out and tell them, make it slow, low. So I don't know whether I should really witness, watch, or I should go out and tell them that please be quiet and make it low.
In India. Very difficult to find place where no noise. So many people everywhere and very noisy. They like this Latino people. They like drama, screaming, even no any music, no any party, nothing. If you are neighbor, often you can listen in families, screaming, shouting. All Latino people like this. Italian also, Spanish also, but other type people, German, France, is different. But they're keeping inside. These people just throw outside. So very difficult to find very quiet. Only you have to go out of city. So you cannot make them, okay, one person, one house you go, say don't make, then other side start, other side you go, so third side start. So you will cannot find. And this is your meditation. So first thing you say should be witness. I should witness. Yes, should be witness. But witness with also positive. With positive. Only if you witness, okay, I have to watch the noisy inside you boiling, will be not work. Make it like a positive. Take positive. It is happening. So make it positive like. So just whatever they talk, no need to listen what they saying. If you put attention, you will be disturbed. If you understand what they're talking, you will be disturbed. Just listen like birds are chip chip. Here also birds, if you put energy, listen them, can be disturbed. Just accept everything how is happening. Then okay. And acceptance, and second thing, go more in you, more centered, be more centered. And you have this space where no any noise can go in you. No any noise disturb, no any noise can go. No any voice can go in you. Nothing. You stand in market or any big festival, people are drinking, sometimes firework. Now soon next month, very big celebration coming in India. It's color, Holi. And this day, everybody is free to do catharsis. Everybody. You go on the street, somebody scream on you, abusing you, mother, sister, every type abuse. You should not have to feel bad. This is free. That day free everything. Like big catharsis day. They don't know what is this, but really it is catharsis. Big catharsis. Whole city, whole country, catharsis. Nobody has to feel bad. Yeah, this is normal. You can say to anybody, and they should not have to feel bad. Only this day. Other day you say, big fight. Even you not say abuse, even you say any angry thing, or any, not even any angry thing, just you look angry. Look straight, and then they start to fight. Little things with fight happen. But this day, big catharsis. You are free. And much noise. Everywhere music, everywhere drumming, everybody drink. So big day. So just has to accept every day you in Holi. Somebody freaking out, somebody screaming, somebody loud talking, somebody music. Now is okay, it's coming here. Little rules, after 10 o'clock should not make music night. Coming now. Before it was not, whole day, whole night. You cannot say anything. And they not make also slow music, very loud. And if anything happened like spiritual, then very loud also, showing to whole area something is happening. And you cannot say anything. And if you feel very disturbed, only you put cotton, earplug, or you go inside. Very strongly go inside. And as you go inside, no any voice, no any noise cannot come to you, cannot disturb you. And this is meditation. Meditation has this space in you where no anything can touch you. When you really coming in meditation, what happening outside you not bother. You not listen even. And this is right listening. Right listening is when you listen only your inner Om sound, Omkar, nothing else. As you coming to Omkar, slowly outer voice, outer things, you cannot listen. You are far from them. And then one day this Om also will be finished. The sound also will be finished. And then the sound will be changed in light. And then one day light also will be finished. Light also will be finished. Then only witness left. Kabira said, जप मरे अजपा मरे अनहद हु मर जाए राम स्नेही ना मरे कहे कबीर समझाए. Means if you repeat any mantra, many people repeating mantra or God name, so it called jap. Repeat, 24 hours repeating inside. This is start. When you starting meditation, then some remembering, some mantra, some things are coming. You start. Then slowly this finish, japa finish, and then ajapa come. Ajapa means automatic remembering happen. Automatic it happening. First you try, then happening. And then third thing happened, anhat, anahat nad, om nad. This come. This automatic is happening. 24 hours buzzing in you. Om. Outside, inside, everywhere this om is happening. Only one sound is here. All sound, all things coming from this sound. So this. And Kabira said, jap finish, ajpa finish. Remembering by effort, you remember. Then without effort is remembering. And then om is start. Automatic this 24 hours is buzzing. Without you doing, it is happening. That also will be finished. Everything will be finished. Then only left in last witness. That never finished. That he called witness. Witness never will be finished. That is real. That is truth. So this will be like this. So you have this space. Otherwise, how long you can say to people? If very disturbance happen, a little bit say. If they understand, if they accept you, okay. Otherwise, you will be angry. First fight with them. They not listen you. You say, okay, I call police. You also in trouble. Police means trouble. Even you are right. Police coming, if you are right, even make you trouble. Better don't connect to police. Don't call. Otherwise your few days finish. They can call you anytime, come to a police station, do this, do that. Even you are right. Police is like this. About police, I remember one thing. Like 20 years before, I start with people in Manali. Few people with me, 20, 30 people, living in one building. Morning, evening, every day I go in walk. Evening I go in walk before satsang. Suddenly one car, police jeep, came and stand up next to me. I said, please listen. What are you doing here? Doing satsang. You have organization. I said, no any organization. You know these people who with you. I say, legal name I don't know, but name knows. Somebody really knows, somebody don't know also. You should have to know everybody who coming to your satsang. I say, why? If they have anything, any drugs or anything, we catch you. I say, why catch me? Catch them. they taking drugs, why not taking? No, you have organization. I say, no any organization. And then I giving him big talk. 40 minutes. My satsang is finished there. People are sitting, but I was giving. I say, you policeman only have one thing, one word, one teaching you have. You doubt on everybody. Even God come to you, stand on you front. You doubt on him. Maybe he's killer, maybe he's thief. And I say, this tree, just one tree is there. If you go or anybody come to tree and sitting under the tree, tree will not ask, you are thief, you are good, you are killer, or you are mafia or what. He never asks. I say, you coming? He will ask you. He say, no. I say, any killer coming? Ask. He say, no. So I say, why are you asking me? My door is open. You can come. Anybody can come. I never ask to anybody, who are you, what you doing, what is your business. Even I not asking name anybody. Even I not looking really them. Many people come 1 day, 2 days, go and never remember anybody. Why I should ask? Then I give him 1 hour talking. And then I came back after in satsang, opened the door, already almost time is finished. I opened the light. And then I said, look, policeman checking, inspector, officer. And if you have anybody has any type of drugs, go out from here. And I told him, in middle night, 2 o'clock you come. So I said to officer, 2 o'clock night you come. Go in everybody's room. If you get, catch him, put in jail. I'm not bothered. I'm not have anything with this. And you can check me also. Come in my room in night. If you get anything, catch me. Take me also. He was very impressed. Very strongly. Nobody talk like with him. Everybody afraid with police officer. Then I talking with pupil, come back in satsang. Very strong talking. He make me very full on. And I said to very hard strong, if you have anybody has anything, drugs or anything, just go now, pack your bag and go. Never come to me. Because I don't want any police coming to me without reason. I with you doing meditation. So please don't. Then things are finished. Next day I go in top my owner. I have one phone. Call somewhere. I using his phone. I was phoning. Then this inspector came. No, this inspector was sitting there. I went. As I went, he stand up. Please sit. Sit. He says, talk. Say something. So what to say? No any. If you ask or you say, then I say. See, I never seen anybody talk like this. So strong and so confident. No fear anything. With me, everybody fear. Big to big man coming, big to big things. So because I don't have anything. Why I afraid with you? I don't have any wrong things. Why I should have afraid? And he said, okay, no afraid, but nobody talk with me like hardly, saying to me straight like this. Because I don't afraid, you are police officer. For me, okay. And then after that day, he wrote in his police station, never go to my ashram. Never come checking. Never inquiry. Never happened. He said this place is right. Nothing is happening wrong. Everything right. So just if you go anywhere, so no, first thing no need to call police. Better you look yourself, be more quiet, and you have this space inside where no anybody, no any noise, no any disturbance can go there. Therefore, if you've been in Osho ashram, Pune ashram, very big noise, much drum, big drums. You are sitting and start drumming. When you very quiet sit, be centered, suddenly one bump, and you jerk. Or if you very centered, this only noise to how much you are centered. If you very centered, nobody, nothing will happen to you. Even just front of you, just next to you, take one big drummer and make drum. Nothing will happen. But if you in periphery, little things, little noise can shake you, can disturb you. So this is your meditation also, how much you are centered or not centered. Any noise, any disturbance makes you to check yourself, checking you, how much is your meditation, how much you are centered or not centered. So everything is like this. And if you take it positively, everything okay. Nice. I going in market many times, very noisy place. I like to go sometime where big music is happening. Restaurant sitting okay, do nothing difference, no anything happen. Even I enjoying everything. Yeah, everything is that. Every noise is that. Every voice is that. If you have disturbance, yes, you will be disturbed. If you become disturbed, it means your disturbance is. If you accept, as you accept, slowly, automatic, this your disturbance will be go away. Slowly you go on, and you will be. Even you enjoying start. Any type things, you will enjoy. Anybody had music, we have also. Sure, we also making very noisy. Sometimes you are screaming start. What about neighbors? They freaking out. And because with us, wherever I go, do satsang, after some time, bad reputation. Very noisy people, very crazy people. People are freaking out. Happened it. So this is depend on you. You have to watchful, more centered, then no problem. Other question? Yes. Why? This is just like a happening. For somebody very easy happen. Cry and laugh easily. For someone not easy. Someone for very difficult. So, but no need to take it. Why not? Somebody happen like this, somebody not happen like this. Somebody more heart quality, very easy crying and laugh. Easily happen. Too much heart, much more stronger happen. Every moment, every time is crying. Just say anything, look anything, and crying start. Even who are living with them, they freak out. Why every time cry, cry? These women is too much. Anything happen and crying start. So this is also one things. They are like this. And somebody far difficult who has more mind. Our mind is difficult. Very difficult to laugh, cry, be easy. But mind has other good quality. Mind become, when you do in meditation, go meditation, being very aware. Much awareness coming. Much silence coming. So this is different quality. But everybody has, both has own things. Somebody can cry, also good. Somebody cannot cry, also okay. So no need to take it. Whatever is happening is okay. Somebody for easy this thing, somebody for not easy this thing. Let it happen. More other? Any more question?
Говорят, нет будущего, нет прошлого. Ну, все находится в моменте. Но если ты себе скажешь это, то прошлое сразу появится. Если ты начинаешь себя, ну, это, чтобы ты представлял, если ты начнешь это вот себя строить, находиться в моменте, то ты как бы отказываешься от прошлого и от будущего, и они на самом деле существуют. Ну, у тебя внутри. И как это будет?
It is said that there is no future and no past. And but whenever I try to live this in this moment, anyhow this future and past I have inside. And what to do with them?
Till you have mind, past and future is there. Mind means past and future. Mind means time. I say, when you coming in present, then no past, no future, no time, no mind. But it is not. If you feels or you think you coming in present, but you are not present. When you present, really present, know anything, even know any thoughts, absolute silent, absolute gap. And if you have an absolute gap, know any thoughts, then how you can go in past and future? Past for going past thinking, go in future, make plan to think. If no any thinking, no any thoughts, thoughts finish, past and future finish. Mind finish, past and future finish. As you coming, no mind, coming totally in present, then it will happen. This you trying to be in present. Even you try, and I say, present will happen once. Once you go in present, once you go in no mind, once, within moment, it will happen. And then you go forever. No mind, no past, no future, forever. And when you go in present, once, within moment, that day you go, that moment you go in meditation. That is meditation. Thoughtlessness. No any thoughts. That is enlightenment. Before enlightenment, no possible to not be in past, not be in future. Present moment, no past, no future, no thoughts, no mind, then no anything, no time. But this you say, you coming in present, you trying to be in present, you not in present, you trying to be there. And when you have, then even no need to try, then you are there, then finish, then mind is finished. Just you trying it, and one day it will happen. And which day, which moment it happened, then you know. Then you know real present, what is present. Even sometimes in meditation or in daytime, some moments you have very present, no mind, very relaxed, very here, whatever you doing, just present. And you think, it is present, even it is not also present. This is also not present. You are silent, mind is quiet, mind is not finished yet, mind is quiet yet. But before you have mind, then slowly mind get quiet, less, less, less. Your gap become bigger, bigger. And then one day, which day you sitting in meditation without any thoughts, 45 minutes. Now it's very difficult to 1 minute. Close eyes, always thoughts. If 3, 4 minutes, 5 minutes you have no thoughts, very good. Very good meditation. Now you coming in meditation. But mind will finish when 45 minutes continuous you have gap. Like you don't know 1 hour we are gone. You just sit and open eyes. You close eyes, open eyes. Finish. 1 hour gone. You don't know. That is it. Then you go. Then mind will blow forever. In this big gap, in this big space, mind is finished. Mind is blow. And then you coming in present moment. That is very, very present moment. Very, very present. And as you come in this moment, very, very present moment, suddenly your door is open. You go that side. Your third eye is open. You gone there forever. You go beyond words, beyond thoughts. You go in silence forever. Even after you come back and then you talking long, much talking, but the silence never finish. Silence always there. Whenever you are alone, you gone. You go in silence. You gone in silence forever. That is present moment. And then no past, no future, no thoughts, no thinking, no mind, no ego, everything finished. You are finished. That is very, very present. But try, go on, trying, looking how I can open my door, how I can open my lock. One day when you are ready, when existence will see, yes, you are ready, then he give you key. Then real key coming in your hand. Before not. Before should not has to happen. If you get enlightenment, your third eye is open, and you are not pure, you are not full of compassion, then what you do? You can be wrong, can do wrong things, can do wrong huge. So existence never do that. Never give. If I say you trying, meditation, searching this, that, so strongly. Sometime coming in you, oh, nothing happening. I'm bored. No anything happened. Only you have to understand you are not ready yet. Here you ready? Existence tower. You not open fully. You are not ready yet. This journey, meditation journey, inner journey makes you prepared. Slowly, slowly making prepare to coming in this moment, coming in this point where you don't want anything. When you don't want anything, then it will happen. Then mind is finished. And very simple, very easy to go in no mind. Very easy. Don't think. Just say to yourself, I don't want to think. But almost impossible. And in meditation, when you go, you look your mind, you want to, he stop. He stop. He always chut, 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 chut. Even you say, please, I don't want to listen. But he just go on giving you suggestions, plans, do this, do that. And then you look how much mind I have. First in meditation, when you go coming in meditation, when you coming really in meditation, then you look how much you have mind. Then you look your mind. Then you look what is mind, how ugly, how selfish, how cunning, biggest cheater, using everybody, want to use. Then you know his cunningness. Then you know how much anger you have, how much jealousy you have, how much attachment you have, how much possessiveness you have. You will see it. And when you see, then you in this longing coming in you, I want to go beyond it. I don't want to be in mind. I am finished. I'm fed up. I want to go. Then meditation start, like real longing start in you. Before you just enjoying, playing. In beginning happen to people doing meditation start. Very good mood, joyful mood, flying, very love, always loving, good mood. But who are new, I say to them, you enjoy, and this enjoy go only 1 year, 2 years. Only 1 year. Much too much very good if you go 2 years. Like same when you meeting any lover, beginning, all the time thinking about each other. He on your head all the time. You going in work, you doing this, you do that, but he always with you. And you enjoy that. It's love. Very loving. But it go 1 year. Slowly, slowly your mind is jumping. Mind is coming back. Mind coming back, attachment, expectation. He should do this, he should not do this. He's like this, why he say like this, why he doing this. So this all control coming. Mind controlling start. And mind controlling start, love is going away. Mind come, love goes. Love very soft, very delicate. As mind is come, mind is rock, strong, very power. He coming, love very soft, love going away. You don't know when love is gone. Then you just take your head. Oh, where is those days? We were flying. He always loved me. Now he don't want to look even, don't want to talk even. What is this? And if you want to, your love will be remain. Always love. Make gap with each other. Sometimes gap is need. Always need gap. In gap, when you have gap, as big gap, much love come. Big love come. Love means gap. Or you have gap, love is coming. Love will happen. Anyhow. Or you know how to go inside. How to go in your gap. Inside. You go in gap every day. Morning, evening, just come back again full of love. Full of beauty. Full of joy. And I say to you also, few times already said, anytime, if you go in meditation very deep, very deep, then you come back, as much as deep you go, as much as love you have, silence you have, relaxation you have. And can happen, you're doing meditation in your room, in your home, closed eyes, 1 hour finished. Suddenly you feel somebody is coming, open eyes, looks one girl or one woman, very beautiful woman. You cannot talk even, just look, finished. So gorgeous, so beautiful. I never seen this woman. She just come and sit to you. You are shocked also. Why she sit next to me? Who you are? What your name? Where from you came? She say, I'm your wife. Forget me? And then she make drama. Oh, you forget. You not love me. Then she making drama start. But you are full of love. You are no mind. When you coming, touch the center. From center you come, everything new. Newly. Fresh. When you not in center, when you in mind, even you going on street, husband, wife, hand in together, man are looking woman, very beautiful woman. Even somebody says, wow, you are so beautiful woman. Husband is freak out, fed up. Say, okay, take it. What is beauty in this woman? But they don't know. They are far. They are distant. If anybody coming near, they also fed up. Other wives always looks beautiful. Own wife never looks beautiful. Because every day same. And you don't know how to change it. And if you go in gap, then every day your husband, your wife is beautiful. Even not beautiful, even grateful you have. You touching start to feed each other. You are God. You are existence. When you really touch yourself, then it happens. And same thing happened in meditation also. When you going in gap, your mind is finished. And then you come back, as much as deep you go inside, everything looks good. Everything looks nice. Everything is beautiful. Everywhere is beauty. People looks more beautiful, more shining. Even you are shining. So main thing is how I can go in gap. When you coming in present, coming in gap, and then they slowly, you go in gap forever. First your mind become quiet, become bigger, quiet. This silence become bigger, bigger. And one day then this silence is very big, you become blast happening, and you gone forever. Then you never come back. You gone in silence forever. This is meditation. Then you close eyes, open eyes, look like 3 hours finished. Look like 3 hours gone. Just you look like close and open. Time is no there. 5 hours nothing, 6 hours nothing. Now very difficult to sit in silence 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And then 10 hours like a nothing. So it is like that is present moment. When you very present moment, sometimes if you see in India sometimes happen on street, maybe one beggar is lying, very dirty. Even he cannot open eyes. He don't have any mind, cannot think about food, cannot think about work. He just lying like a dead. But inside, sun of sun is shining. So much sun, so much light, full of lights. And we call them Paramhans. Means he in Samadhi, always in Samadhi. Don't want to come out. If anybody come, existentially happen, somebody come, shake him, give him food, he open eyes, he eat again, gone. Don't want to come out. This is bliss, always in bliss. This you can have, you can get. Everybody can have. Only your center, you reach your center. Then lights of light. That is present. This is present. He cannot do anything. Cannot think even. Because before to do, think has to come. Thoughts has to come. Even you want to move your finger, first thoughts, then finger will be start. But if no any thoughts, you cannot move anything. Many times to after samadhi, some people happen like this. Cannot. But some people doing everything. They know how to do, what to do. Master teach them. After enlightenment, master teaching how you use your mind, how you use your body. Everything he teaching like new baby. That is master work. Real work happened that time, master. Before no work. Before he is enjoy, playful. Real work that moment. When any disciple become enlightened, then master work start. Few months.